I'll show you how to make this virtual business card with a free QR code. And when someone scans that QR code, it's going to save your contact information in their phone. This means you can share your name, email, number, and website easily to someone you just met. Plus, it only takes 5 minutes. It's a completely free tool, and you can do the entire thing only using your cell phone. Let's get started and show you just how easy it can be. So scroll down to the description of this video and click the first link. So this is going to open up Blinq. Blinq is a free app that's available on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. And when you open up the application, it's going to ask you to create your card. So this is where we're going to add all the information we want shared when someone scans our QR code. So of course we want to add some photos. So we're going to add 2 photos in this video. The first one's going to be a profile photo. So let's go ahead and click that and then go choose from photo library. And here's 3 photos I already had uploaded onto my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and click this profile photo, click done, and now you can see it's uploaded. Now let's do the same thing for a cover photo. So let's go ahead and click the cover photo button. Then we'll collect from the library again, and we'll go ahead and update this. Awesome. So this is looking pretty good. Now we're going to scroll down and add some of the information we want someone to get in the contact card when they scan our QR code. So for our name, let's go ahead and add Joe. Last name Zeppelin. We'll scroll down to job title and let's add a real estate agent. And then for company, let's put Century 21. And now we're going to get to the fun part. At the bottom here, you have all the different options of information you can share with someone. So obviously we're going to put a phone number. So let's select that one. We'll put our phone number up here. And then for the label, let's go ahead and label this as our work phone. Now let's do the same thing with our email. So we'll select the email button, add our email up here. So Joe Zeppelin at email.com, and we'll label this as our work email. And then lastly, let's go ahead and add a company website. So we'll put www.joezeppelin.com, and then let's go ahead and select save. So awesome. So now we can see our business card. So we see the QR code at the top, and then we see the photos we added, our contact information. It's looking pretty good. Now, there's a couple things we can do to really sell ourselves and really make our business card stand out. These are just 3 simple steps that truly take about 30 seconds. Go ahead and select that pencil button on the top right. This enables us to edit our card. And then we're going to go ahead and choose a card style. So this is just the color that you want shown on your card. So let's go ahead and select this blue one here. And as you can see, when we select that, now all of the icons for our contact information match that theme. So the second thing we're going to do is go ahead and add a headline. Now, a headline is a text that shows underneath your name. Now, people put mottos here. They put their hours, what they're selling, whatever you want. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and put a motto here. So let's go ahead and put your home, your story. And now you can see underneath our name, this is what we see here. Awesome. Now the third one really helps you stand out more than any other tip in this video. It's something really cool that I think I'm doing inside the app, and it's using the accreditations pane. So in the accreditations pane, we're going to put things that truly sell us. So I'm going to go ahead and add a star emoji here and put top rated, right? It makes this little bubble. Then let's go ahead and maybe put a house, and we'll put people first, and let's go ahead and add that one. And for the last one, we'll put something fun. So why don't we put a dog, and we'll put family friendly. Now when you go ahead and you select save, you can see these icons pop underneath our name, and it kind of tells the audience, what are we offering them? So now obviously the most important part, you want to understand how to share this QR code. So you can share it in 2 ways. The first way is you can have the app on your phone and you just scroll down and this QR code's at the top. And when someone scans that QR code, they'll have access to all this information here and save that information in their phone. The second way, which is my favorite, is adding it to my Apple Wallet. So if you go ahead and select the share button at the right, you can see all the different options you have to share. And at the bottom here, you have the option to add it to your Apple Wallet. Now, the real question is, does it work? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the QR code, we're going to go ahead and scan it. And then when it's scanned, you'll automatically see on this side that they have all of your information that you just made. And when they select that save contact button at the bottom, it's going to pull up and save all your contact information in their phone. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more customizable, watch our Canva video on how to make a digital business card. It's fully customizable. You could do essentially anything you want to do, and it's our most popular video on the channel. And if you found this video helpful, I need your help with 3 simple things. 1, like this video if you enjoyed it. It really helps us out. 2, consider subscribing if you like to stay up to date on all things AI, business, and tech. New videos every Monday. And number 3, go watch that video on how to make a card with Canva. It's incredibly useful, and I know you'll find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you, friends.